Hi, this is Marina from Health Glows, a certified raw vegan diet and healthy lifestyle coach. In this video, I'm going to teach you a simple yet effective eyelid lifting massage. In fact, let's do this massage together. Pause the video, wash your hands, wash your face, prepare some massage oil, and let's do this massage together. In this massage, we are going to do 9 different massage techniques plus a simple exercise, all for eyelid lifting. For the first 4 massage techniques, you don't necessarily have to use massage oil. In fact, if you are not going to wash your hair right after this massage, then maybe it's even better not to use massage oil, because during those first 4 massage techniques, your fingers will go through your hair. So at the end of massage, your hair will be oily. For the next 5 massage techniques, you do need oil, massage oil, in the region of your forehead and your eyes. If you are going to wash your hair right after this massage, then I highly recommend that you use some massage oil during the whole massage. Having said that, let's start with our massage. For this massage, you can use whatever massage oil you prefer. Now, I'm using raw cacao butter. You can order this raw cacao butter through the link in the description of this video. I cover the entire surface of my face with this butter. I rub some castor oil into my palms. And now the massage begins. Technique number 1. Place your fingertips in the area of your temples. Pull your fingertips all the way to the back of your head, pressing them tightly into your scalp. Do this movement 5 times. Technique number 2. Place your fingertips above your ears. Pull your fingertips all the way to the top of your head, pressing them tightly into your scalp. Do this movement 5 times. Technique number 3. Place your fingertips of your index and middle finger of one hand at the beginning of one of your eyebrows. Support the elbow of the active arm with the opposite hand. Supporting the elbow in this way, push those fingertips over one of your eyebrows, then through your hair all the way to the back of your head. Do this movement 5 times. Repeat the whole technique on the other side. Technique number 4. Place your fingertips of your index and middle fingers of one and the other hand at the beginning of one and the other eyebrow. Pull your fingertips over each eyebrow, then through your hair all the way to the back of your head. Do this movement 5 times. Technique number 5. Sweep your fingers alternatively over the middle part of your forehead, from the root of your nose upwards towards your hairline. Do this movement about 5 times. Technique number 6. Sweep your fingers alternatively over the opposite sides of your forehead, from the end of one and the other eyebrow upwards towards your hairline. Do this movement about 10 times. Technique number 7. Place one hand over the other, then place them together in the middle part of your forehead. In vibrating motion, pull both hands from your eyebrows upwards towards your hairline. Do this movement about 10 times. Technique number 8. Place one and the other hand on the opposite sides of your forehead, one above the end of each eyebrow. In vibrating motion, pull both hands from the end of each eyebrow upwards towards your hairline. Technique number 9. Place your fingertips on your forehead, in the area right above your eyebrows. Press them well into your forehead, then pull them over your forehead upward towards your hairline. At the same time, slightly throw your head to the back. Do these movements about 10 times. Exercise. Keep your head straight. Look up in the center with your eyes directed upwards. Look at the upper right corner. Then move your eyes all the way to the upper left corner. Again to the center and straight down. Repeat these eye movements about 10 times. And you've done this massage. Well done! I hope that you did this massage with me and that you enjoyed it. I also hope that you will perform this massage regularly so to get and keep your desired results in terms of eyelid lifting long term. In my previous video, I shared with you my experience with eyelid lifting surgery known as blefaroplasty. I had that surgery because I was born with droopy eyelids, and after the surgery I got my desired results, but I am absolutely aware that if I don't perform certain techniques to keep those results, I might develop droopy eyelids over time simply as a result of not taking care of my face. And I believe that face massage is part of personal hygiene. If you would like to have blefaroplasty yourself and you consider to have it in the very polyclinic where I had mine, then you can get a discount for your surgery if you apply for it through the link in the description of this video. If you think that this massage is helping you as well to reach your goal in terms of eyelid lifting naturally, please like this video, share it, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let me know through the comments down below. Do you think that this kind of massage gives you desired results in terms of eyelid lifting? I hope that you enjoyed this video, and until the next time, I'm wishing you all the best, and as always, keep glowing, my friends. Bye bye!